everyone, just a quick little video today. I received some lovely posts from Troll in the Dungeons, who you can find on Instagram. She very kindly sent me some of her newer products, I think. I know one of them is definitely a new product, so I'm really excited. I've not opened it yet, covered my address. So I thought I'd open it with you guys, and I'm so excited to see what's inside. Let's open it, shall we? If you've watched these videos, you will have seen the little pumpkin juice necklace that I like to wear. I'm not wearing it today because, as you've probably noticed, I'm in pyjamas, and I thought about getting changed because today I thought I'm going to get up and I'm going to film this video because I received this in the post yesterday. And so normally I'd go through my wardrobe and pick out something Harry Potter-ish to wear. But I was already wearing something Harry Potter-ish, so I'm being a bit of a tramp and just wearing my pyjamas to do this video because I thought you'd really appreciate them. Excuse these creases, there's nothing that seems to be able to get rid of them. No ironing, no nothing, they seem to just be permanently embedded into the fabric. I don't know why. So yeah, Primark, they're awesome. So here we have a wax seal letter, which is so cute. And look at that. She packages everything so nicely. So let's open the letter first. It says, "Dearest Danielle, the items I'm sending you are meant as my thank you gift for featuring me on your awesome blog so often that I do enjoy reading every time. I will continue to shout you out with your YouTube too, thank you, as your videos are honestly one of my favourites in the Potterhead community. Keep up the amazing work. I'm sending you 2 of my latest creations, the Harry Potter spoons." I knew I was getting 1 spoon. She told me I was getting 1 spoon. But 2. I'm so excited about these, that I am super proud of, as you should be. The 3rd item is a necklace. Ooh. And it is meant as a hint for what one of the new spoon designs, coming by the end of March, is inspired by. Yours, Troll in the Dungeons. I almost don't want to open this because it's so pretty. Oh, it's like my birthday. Oh my god, this is amazing. Oh my god, this is the cutest thing ever. She is so talented, honest to god. Look at this. It's a little Honeydukes chocolate bar on a necklace. I cannot wait to wear this with my pumpkin juice necklace. That's really exciting. So there's going to be a spoon that matches that. Oh my god. Oh, so she's been posting the, I think so far there's 3 designs that she's released and she's been posting them on Instagram. I actually said secretly to one of my friends, I was like, I know I'm getting sent a spoon and I really hope it's the Nocturnally one. And it is. Oh, look at that. It's exactly like the sign that's at the entrance to Nocturnally. I love it. And then you're gonna love this one. It's a little chocolate frog design on a teaspoon. This is so clever. It comes with a warning on the back. This item is not washable in a dishwasher. Must be washed carefully by hand. The magic could wash off in touch with Muggle technology. I love that. Oh, thank you so much. I'm going to put all the details to these items to Troll in the Dungeons on Instagram, and it's just to find on Etsy. I'll put the link as well, but it's just in the Dungeons on Etsy, so definitely go and follow her on everything you can possibly find and give her a like and just send her loads of love because she's absolutely amazing. She's so lovely to talk to. Oh, I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. I feel like I can't use them. Do you know what I'll use these for? Like special little cakes and things. I can't wait to see what you bring out next. Thank you. And thank you to you guys for watching. Don't forget to give the video a like if you liked it, comment and tell me what you thought of these items that I got, and then don't forget to press the subscribe button. And I'll see you next time. Bye!